Are house cleaners essential during the COVID-19 virus stay-at-home mandate? Great question. We're going to talk about that today. Hi there, I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, today's show is brought to us by SavvyCleaner Training, where we're training house cleaners and maids what the new world of house cleaning looks like after COVID-19. Because everything we knew about house cleaning just kind of got dumped on its head a little bit. And there's a new awareness about cleaning and cleaning chemicals and cleaning safety. So check it out at SavvyCleaner.com. All right, on to today's show. We have two house cleaners that called in with these similar questions.
With the COVID-19 virus going around, do you recommend continuing to clean clients' homes?
Hello, Angela. I'm a housekeeper from Orlando, Florida. Due to the coronavirus, we are in a stay-home order. My company did take the stay-home order until the 9th. Some essential works are allowed to work. Will a housekeeper be count as an essential job? Will we be able to go back to work after the 9th if they extend the stay-home order? Thank you.
All right, are house cleaners essential? And the answer is yes, they are very essential to the health and wellness of many people's lives. We clean grit and grime and gunk and dirt and dust, and we sanitize things and we tidy things up, and yes. So to have a clean, tidy, healthy, happy home, house cleaners are absolutely essential. Should they be working right now during the stay-at-home coronavirus, COVID-19 scare? Probably not. Right now, stay at home. Stay at home until this passes. Everybody is well. Everybody can go back to their regular jobs. Right now, there are lots of people at home. We have children, we have pets, we have elder parents, we have regular parents, we have a whole bunch of people that are normally not in the homes that we clean. And so going into a home, we expose ourselves to them and them to us. And then if we go back to our own families, if even one of them is sick, we can take that back to our own families. And then that takes you out of the job for however many days that you are quarantined. So right now during this stay at home, please everyone stay at home if you can. Now that said, there are other jobs. There are other jobs that you can do. And I know a lot of house cleaning companies are expanding their horizons a little bit, and they're working for commercial cleaners, and they're cleaning office buildings and warehouses and stores and banks and some of the other places that are closed down during this pandemic. So because they are closed, they're going into vacant buildings and they're cleaning everything from top to bottom, like doing a deep clean. So they may have a regular cleaning company that does maintenance clean, but this is a deep clean where they're deep cleaning everything. So as a house cleaner, to get money coming in, you could be deep cleaning places that regularly have a janitor, but they may not do deep cleaning. So this would be an opportunity where you could go into a building and you actually have the time to let your disinfectants sit for the 10 minutes that are required on the different surfaces and what have you. So this might be an excellent opportunity to pursue that over the next month or so while we are in sort of a slowed down state. So are you essential? Yes, you are. And I don't want you to think that you aren't for a minute, because the salvation of many people is dependent on the house cleaner keeping their home clean and tidy and sanitized and all these things. So that I would recommend. Alrighty, so that's my take. I hope it helps a little bit. If it does, please pass this on to a friend. If we've earned your subscription, please subscribe. And I would love to know your feedback and your comments in the notes below. All right, until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.